Watching music while earning money online is one of the easiest ways to accomplish it, and I'll show you how to do it in today's video. How fantastic would it be to be compensated just for listening to music on your phone or computer? Everywhere in the world, including to name a few, Bangladesh, India, and United States, the Philippines, Nigeria, Pakistan, South Africa, and United Kingdom has access to this cutting-edge method. Please leave a comment below and let me know what country you're from so that I can make future films just for your area. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. I'll now lead you through a step-by-step lesson on how to earn money simply by listening to music like this and all of these songs right here. A list of all the rates between this amount and this amount may be found by visiting this page. As I scroll down, I come across pages and pages of people using this innovative method to make money from all over the world. Let's use this strategy to evaluate your income potential. You can earn $320 if you perform 10 tunes. Similar to the last illustration, 20 tracks will net you $640. You can win $1,600 only for listening to 50 tracks. It is ideal for beginners because there is no investment required because it is completely free and can be done on a phone or computer. You need to go to mixkit.co right away. On this website, you can find a huge selection of stock music that you may download for nothing and then sell while only listening to it. As you can see, hundreds of songs are available for free download. I'm going to offer you the first bonus tip right now. So pay close attention. Choose a genre on the mixgift.co homepage. Various genres of music that are copyright-free are available for download and listening. I'd like you to focus on hip-hop and acoustic music for this video because those are currently the two most popular genres. Let's go on to the next phase after selecting a genre. Next, go to uploadforever.com to finish the process. If you're not familiar with what this website does, let me explain. To put it simply, you can post a variety of files straight to our website, and anyone who downloads your file will compensate you by paying you using the payment methods you provide. What a wonderful idea! Simply search for free music to download on mixkit.co, then go to uploadforever.com and upload the songs there to start making money. You'll be able to get money when someone downloads the song from this website, and the sum you receive will truly depend on how much you want it to be. Keep watching and I'll show you how to set that up. Now, I enjoy this because they accept a variety of payment methods. They provide Perfect Money, PayPal, Payoneer, and Payeer. If you're interested in receiving payments in cryptocurrency, you can also do so. With that said, please let me know in the comments below which payment methods you favor. I'll try to produce related movies as well. Here's a fast hint though. If you currently own an Android phone, visit Google Play Store, search for Up Forever, and then download the app for nothing. I'll guide you through each step of registration process starting right now. Please pay great attention to this step since skipping it could cause some issues. Therefore, if you go to uploadforever.com, click on this button to sign up. You must first enter your login, password, and email address before selecting your preferred payment method. I'll disclose my PayPal email address because in my opinion, PayPal is preferable. Simply click the I am not a robot box here and click the sign up button after that. You can just watch the video again if you didn't comprehend it the first time. After enrolling, you can now log into your brand new uploadforever.com account. Here it is, your very own dashboard. Look around the dashboard as you please. To access this website and begin uploading the mixkit.co music you have downloaded, click this upload files button now that we are moving forward. After that, you can begin receiving payment. Right now, this is a crucial part of the process. Make sure you go by all of their rules if you want to make money on this website. Therefore, make sure you don't post any files that are against their terms of service. In addition, if you're experiencing difficulties uploading to this page, make sure your ad blocker is turned off. In the following paragraphs, I'll explain how to upload the music you downloaded from mixkit.co to this website. All you have to do is go to and search for a hip-hop or acoustic song. All of these tracks are available in compilation that are available for free download. you can listen to a sample of the songs you want to download by clicking here. So here is the name of the song and this is the performer. Simply click the download button if you like it. As you can see, you can download it right away on your smartphone. The nicest part, and this is a very clever move on their part, is that you can download anything without making an account on their website. Okay, come back to uploadforever.com after you finish downloading the song. You can upload files by clicking this button on your dashboard. After that, you'll be taken to this page where you can actually upload the song. The following action is choosing the file you want to upload. I'll just send the song that I already downloaded. As you can see, they will display the file size. Another suggestion is to make your file public so that anyone can read and download it and pay you for the privilege. Be sure to use the exact name, song title, and artist name in the description. To do this, go back to the first page, copy the title and the artist, and then paste them into this box. When you are ready, click Start Upload, then watch as the song is uploaded to this website. Once your file has been uploaded, just click this My Files link to get back to the home page. You can view the files you've already posted in this section. The file name and size are also visible. It is now at 0 because the song was just posted. You can also choose the price for the music on the page based on how much money you hope to make. To access the page where you can enter any text and specify the price, simply click this green button. As for me, I'll merely list this cost since I think it's adequate. After then, move your cursor down below to the Submit button. That is all there is to using this website for profit. Don't forget to set a price so that you can get paid for each download and always make your work available for others to download. Simply keep repeating the process if you want to earn more money. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.